Photography is such a wonderful hobby for children and for anybody at any age. And we can get out and share an amazing night like this. We're creating beautiful memories and hopefully giving these guys some skills that they will take on throughout their educational years and into the future.
It's awesome to see the shots that they're taking. It is rewarding when they nail a shot that they've never done, or you listen to the oohs and the ahs and the reactions in their voice.
It's been really helpful and it's pointing me in the right direction, teaching me those tips so I can go out and take my own photos. I just love, going to beautiful places and just capturing the moment and being able to show that to people and then go, oh wow, that's sick, and then getting that good feeling inside.
We were taking pictures, a girl showed UV lights on her, and we're taking pictures from different angles to see what it looks like through the camera. Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Really cool.
They've taught us how to use our aperture, our shutter speeds. They've taught us all these different tricks, something that I'll be using in the future, definitely.
Kids are getting some great shots. Really cool to be able to offload all the information and knowledge that I sort of worked hard to learn and just give it to them, and you can see them grab it and roll with it.
So lucky to be working in this job as a photography teacher. I see their eyes light up with joy. They're so proud of the moments that they've captured, the skills that they never thought were possible. And Canon have made it just such an incredible experience to gain confidence in who they are and how they can experience the world and share it through their photographs.
The reward's definitely the smile on their face at the end of the night. Just they've had a great time. They see the print emerge from the printer and they go home happy.